My name is Bukenya Samuel, speaking to you today. I've opened up this account on my YouTube. Please don't forget to like and please subscribe. Um, I've looked in the world what to talk about, and today, I will speak about a motivation, something that is inspiration, and something that's real, that's reality. What is real? Nature is real. It provides us patterns and templates we can use in our daily living. For example, today I will speak about dependence in an environment. If it is at stable conditions, if we follow the sun, for example, the sun gives its rays and its energy to the plants, and somewhere, I will feed on them. So it means I'm depending on the sun indirectly, even though I may just say that I'm depending on the plant. So that's dependence. I can't set one piece away from something that, if I want to make the environment stable, I don't need to take away one component. So that's interaction and dependence. And in reality, now we'll speak about friendship, because it comes to us, me and you. Friendship. For example, behind me, there is a wall. I use it as my template today. They are brick city for them. But if you ever critically look at it, it has the foundation, the middle lines, and those at the top. That's sealed. If I take away the foundation bricks, those bricks indeed they contribute much to the wall. It will just crumble down. If I take the middle lines away, the wall, which is the bricks which are above, they will obviously fall. If I take off the top bricks, indeed the wall will be shortened. So that's the importance of each brick in that way. Just know our lives are that way. They are shaped by whatsoever kind of brick we put in there. And those are our friends. Even though they have good and interlocking interactions with us, we may not understand it today, we may not see their use, but if that piece moves away, the world will be weakened, and that's our character. So please, treasure every friend you have. Don't be a parasite to them, but coexist with them in an environment that's free and fair. Be fair to them, and please take their advice whosoever, even though he's the least of all those you are having. Please value each person. Don't minimize anyone, because there will be somewhere a point in life that they will help you. Sometimes, if you watch those people who have achieved this, they have done it with friends. Many of them have friends that have helped them, not in maybe because we may consider the financial status, not in the financial upgrade or force or effort provided, but it may be with words, with counsel, with maybe the right plan. Maybe you are missing a piece because I'm not listening to somebody else. Listen to them, but listen to them critically, wisely, as they say in the Bible. I like the scriptures because the Bible has an infinite wisdom. I would say, why do I call it infinite? It provides many things, not only about religion, but also about realities. Like King Solomon, he wrote about many things. So that's why I refer to it, because it's one of the best books you ever look out for. Indeed, you can stick on it, you have all the answers. So when we see about friendship, it will hold a big percentage in our life. So hold that friend you're having, however least, however small, however, I don't know you may call it. That person is too precious in your life. Please, don't forget to subscribe to Kenya Samuel. Indeed, today I've been talking about the friendship, but maybe tomorrow we'll speak about something you have commented out in our comments down. Please don't forget to like our page. May God bless you.